Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I got here the Honda SCL 500. Let's get it out of the box and put it together. Here we go. What a beautiful looking bike. Now we got out of the crate, we just got to put the mirrors on, hook up the battery, put some gas in it, and we'll fire it up. And if you're interested in any of my favorite tools, check out the links in the description below. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my unboxing and assembly of the new Honda CL 500. Ride safe.